Hola, amigos. Erica here, and I'm excited to share my travel experiences with you. Today, we're exploring the rugged coastline of northern Spain, where dramatic cliffs meet stunning beaches. As we set off on our walk, I'm struck by the contrast between the towering rock formations and the soft golden sand beneath our feet. The sun casts a warm glow on the landscape, while a gentle breeze carries the scent of the sea. As we follow the winding coastal path, we're treated to incredible views of secluded coves and crystal-clear waters. The crashing waves create a powerful symphony that echoes against the cliffs, reminding us of the ocean's immense strength.
Hey guys, I've got a unique platform to share with you. Check out the link in the pinned comment below for an unforgettable and adult experience.
As we descend onto the beach, we can see people enjoying the unique beauty of this hidden gem, with some even daring to jump into the turquoise waters from the surrounding rocks. Along the way, we encounter a group of hikers who share stories of the local wildlife and flora. Their tales of rare bird sightings and colorful wildflowers add an extra layer of wonder to our adventure. Further down the path, we come across a small fishing village where we can observe locals mending their nets and preparing their boats for the next day's work. As we rest on a rocky outcrop, we have the perfect vantage point to take in the breathtaking beauty of our surroundings. As the sun begins to set, the sky is set ablaze with vibrant shades of red and orange, creating a truly unforgettable spectacle. I hope you enjoyed our walk along the stunning Spanish coastline. If you did, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. I look forward to exploring more amazing beaches with you soon. Until next time.